Hello, my name is Ajax. Let's talk about daily work routine management. The reference here is Falconi's book, Daily Work Routine Management, usually called the Green Book. You work because someone needs the result of your work. That's what we need to survive as human beings, goods and services that are the result of other people's work. When the result of the work can satisfy people's needs, then it adds value. Using enterprise wording, we would say that when a product satisfies customers' needs, then it adds value. So the more satisfying features a product has, the more value it adds. To perform their work, people group themselves in organizations. We call enterprise these organizations. So enterprise produce products which should add value to the customers. In an enterprise, people perform functions and are part of an organizational hierarchy. Functions and hierarchy are two different things. Function is the type of work you perform. Hierarchy is relative to the organizational structure position you have. There are two categories of functions. Managerial functions, composed of direction and management, and operational functions composed of supervision and operation. One person has one position in the hierarchy, but may have more than one function. Another difference is that organizational hierarchy may and will change constantly to accommodate internal and external events, but functions remain stable. Now let's finally see how work should be organized. There's a key concept, not very difficult to understand, but not very well implemented in the enterprise world. This concept is the working mode concept. Basically, there's the normal working mode when all activities run smoothly. Then there's the anomaly work mode when there are anomalies. An anomaly is a broken equipment, delay, wrong invoice, wrong information, any of that. Any task done in anomaly working mode does not add value. On the contrary, it adds cost. It's called waste. As anomalies are waste, they should be eliminated. Several functions need to act to eliminate anomalies: operations, supervision, and management. Note that the main responsibility belongs to the management function. Let us see the sequence of normal working mode for each function. Direction, which tasks are to set goals through a strategic plan and deploy these goals. Management, which activities are to achieve the goals and to train the supervision function. Supervision, which tasks are to check if standards are being used and to train the operation function. And finally, the operation, which job is to follow and comply with standard procedures. Now let's see in the anomaly working mode how the functions should perform. Operations have to report anomalies. Supervision has to analyze anomalies, eliminate immediate causes, and it also has to record and report anomalies to management function. The management has to double check in the field for the anomalies, detect recurrent anomalies using Pareto, and eliminate those anomalies. It also has to provide a report every 6 months to the direction. Finally, the direction has to review and understand the status report and set goals to fix the current situation. We see that in normal working mode the sequence is top-down, starting with goals from the direction. And in the anomaly working mode, it's the contrary. It's bottom-up, starting with the anomalies in operation. The main focus is around anomalies. To prevent and to eliminate anomalies, knowledge is absolutely necessary. There are two types of knowledge: management knowledge for the managerial functions and technical knowledge for the operational function. This daily work routine management method is typically management knowledge. We can say that management is setting goals and achieving them. To achieve current goals, it's necessary to comply with existing standards. And to achieve improvement goals, it's necessary to change or to create new standards. Therefore, management is also to comply with existing standards or to modify or create new standards. At the end of the day, what's the usage of this method of daily work routine management? Look at your own enterprise. Does the current or new organization mix up functions and hierarchy? Or bosses don't perform managerial functions? Perhaps operational teams don't have training or standard procedures? Or you could find managers working in a permanent anomaly mode, as if it were normal. Perhaps there's room for improvement. Thank you for your attention. You may contact me at the email below. Your comments are welcome.